in this conference, doble na ang output niya in this game.
Samantala, itong import naman ng Global Port atin to pass. Will Antonio sinigura ng 3 pero mintis yung kanyang tira. Rebound nakuha ni Eric Dawson. Tumatakbo na naman ang Miracle Boss ng Mac Cardona. May konting bump na doon si Willie Miller. Pero nakita niya nasa sulok ito si Matt Landingham. Palik kay Chris Timberlake. Single play, letter C. Kaya ito, Mac C. Cardona yata yun. Doing the reverse. Apal doon itong si Sly Morgan. Counter-attack naman para sa kupunan ng Global Port. Got it, David. Pulling up for the 3. Tagilid. At ang rebound makukuha ni Jay Reyes.
Would have been a big one kung naipasok nila yung tira, but still a lot of basketball time left, Cap. Bubukas ang ating fourth period. But it's the defense. Global Port must play that tough defense to make it difficult for Meralco to execute.
Jay Reyes kinukumpog. Ito si Sly Morgan. Pero ito si Jay Reyes. So now was 4 points.
Again, si Morgan not asserting himself. Dapat intimidator siya sa loob
Malaki yung katawan niya kay Jay.
He's got those long arms.
Nagbanggaan sila. Siya yung lumayo. Ito, 1-on-1 naman sila. Morgan against Reyes. Lalayo, lalapit. Running hook. Ayaw. Rebound makuha pa ni Bakbak. Bakbak Cardona. Kumakaripas. Tatlo sila. Dalawa lang ang kalaban. Opting to pass. Pero may foul move.
What possession this time, pero he doesn't want to pressure his players para mas composed sila mag-ingat ng bola. At kanina, he wants to play with no import para tumaas ang kumpiyansa ng mga locals. Rado?
And why not? Ano yung mga diskara kampe after that nice job against Sly Morgan. Papalitan muna siya. Ito naman si Cliff Hodge. Bakbak. Iba pass dito kay Chris Timberlake. 5 seconds to go in the shot clock.
Against Dawson. So corrections been made. 14 seconds sa shot clock ng Meralco.
9 minutes and 58 in the ball game. Dawson using his footwork. Drop it Aguilar.
Easy for Eric Dawson. Off that low block. If you don't double team him, he's gonna score.
25 big points for the Meralco import. But Will Antonio is free for 3. Nasa loob na lumabas pa. Makmak. Nakita niya. Nandun si Cliff Hodge sa kanilang front court. Pasa sa loob. Import layup ni Eric Dawson. Wala. Pero may foul na naman. And Jack. So talaga nagbabantayan sila sa matchup. Paglabas nung binabantayan. Labas din. Pagpasok. Pasok ko. Sapagkat effective ito si Jay Reyes against Sly Morgan.
And so far sa ating fourth period, wala pa nakaka-score from Global Port.
Sly Morgan, bounce out na naman ito si Jay Reyes. Nakakuha pa yung pasa nito si Eric Dawson. Eric Dawson napahinto bahagya. Nasapal, pero dumikit na naman.
Turnovers against Global Port sa game. Against 6 for Meralco.
And from the free throw line, talaga pong napakaganda rin pinapakita na si Eric Dawson now with 27 big points to lead all scorers. Sa turnovers naman, yung Global Port, binabatpat na po talaga 10 turnovers compared to only 6 for Meralco.
Well, si Dawson, hindi nga naka-score ng second period, but he's got 27 so far. And what a shot coming from Morgan. Ang tinaman nun, except the backboard.
Pangatlong pagkakataon na ito ng Global Port. Nakadalawang tira din sa ilalim. Itong si John na Fernandez. Ngayon, si Son Mercado, sisiguraduhin yung kanyang jumper. Bakbak Cardona, kaharap na ngayon. Ito si Marky, nagigit-gitan itong dalawang ito. Ito ating pagpapasdan. Although nasa kabilang banda pa. At bola na kumuna ng Meralco. They go to Eric Dawson. Dadahan-dahan. Sidestep.
And he's just having a great time, si Eric Dawson. Feeling niya, kayang-kaya niyang i-depensa ni Sly Morgan. Morgan not able to give any kind of resistance.
Hindi ganun kapit.
Masyadong forceful sa kanyang depensa.
And I think kinito, dito sa import-laden conference, an import should be a catalyst. Yung kanyang leadership, kailangan din nararamdaman At Son Mercado, in that instance, siya pumukol and now in double-digit scoring with his 11th point.
Sayang na sayang yung 89-inch wingspan ni Morgan. Obviously, he's not a power player. He's not a physical player. Ito, also scoring over the arms, outstretched arms ni Morgan.
And he's smiling. Why not? Ang ganda nung kanyang tira na yun. Over the outstretched arms.
Kasi kaya niya
Tama-tala. Ito, atake na sa loob. Si Sol Mercado, ayaw pa rin. At
nag-usap naman kanina at si Leven Benga is feeling very despondent. At he has been assured of the support of the PBA fans, the Lasallian community. Right now, he's confined sa De La Salle University Medical Center sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. At maraming tumutulong sa kanya. Kasal alumnus na si Manny Arbosa has been there to help him. Si Rafi Valenticencio, isa sa mga managers ng De La Salle Senior Basketball team, was also planning to honor Lim Embeng by dedicating the coming Phil Oil Flying V season in his name. At the same time, magkakaroon ng fundraiser ang Phil Oil Flying V para kay Lim Embeng.
Of course, our prayers for the recovery.
I thought try to take charge in the last few sequences para sa Global Port. Kulang na kulang yung suporta.
AJ Mandani at the point. Para sa kumpuna ng Batang Pierre. Ito, kita niyo naman po ang field goal shooting ng Global Port. Only 2 out of 11. Si Morgan, nakakanakaw ng mga puntos na with 17 points. Nothing compared para sa 31 na itong si Eric Dawson. 6-23 in the ballgame. It's ating Wednesday offering.
Ito, one-on-one, Dawson versus Morgan.
You feel the confidence in Eric Dawson, pero napangiti siya doon sa kanyang midfield niya, but nothing to worry. Balik agad siya sa depensa while AJ Mandani signaling play para sa Global Port.
Morgan playing outside. He's not low posting. Bakit kaya?
Kaya nga, tatalian yung buhay ng mga defenders ng Meralco. AJ Mandani nakita luwag. Gary David, jumper! Easy 2. Moral Granada. 83-73. May 21 puntos na po si Gary David. Pero kanyang kupunan, kumpare by 10 points. Eric Dawson. Ball fake. Ilalapit. Turns around. Ang palapit ng Tira Mendez. John Dan coloring the rebound. Mandani. Kumakaskas. Atake. AJ Mandani first 2 points of the game. Both coming from free throws. Mahaba pa ang oras na ito kanito. Although ang Global Port hindi pa po nakakatikim ng kalamang throughout the game. Ang Meralco naman, unang pagkikita nila.
Yung nagwala si Batman.
Wala si Batman. Ngayon, wala na magwawala dahil wala na siya.
At titignan natin kung si Rodney White ay nakapag-adjust na sa sistema ni Coach Olson Racela. And also whether Coach Luigi Trillo has learned his lessons after being slapped a combined 40,000 peso fine by Commissioner Chito Salud.
Oo, masakit-sakit yun. At galing pa sila sa pagkatalo, kaya babawi. O gusto mo bawi ng kupunan ng Alaska sa matala at that time, bumawi. Ito naman si Sly Morgan. Pero may kalam niya, ano yung kanyang not really going near doon sa kanyang dapat restaurant sa ilalim. Ito naman si Eric Dawson. Uy, bago yun. Babantayan dito sa ating laro.
Marquis, ang kanyang assignment is si Mac Cardona, but so far, Cardona already has 24 points.
Hirap ng...
Alam mo, ang maganda rito sa Meralco, isa talagang binibigyan nila ng pagkakataon. May sipa doon, si Mark, all in the second period. 1 out of 2 for Mac Cardona. He's not done scoring. He's got 25 points.
Big explosion para dito kay Mac Cardona, leading his team to a 9-point lead.
At yan ang iniintay ng Meralco, for Mac Cardona to really show his stuff offensively. It's an offensive team. At yan ang kulang na kulang sa kanila. Here's a foul by Mac. I think it natin.
10 out of 11, make them 11 out of 12 sa free throw shooting. At ito, Ganito, 6 na lang ang kalamangan ng Meralco rito. 86-80. 3 minutes and 58 remaining in the game. Mac Cardona, yung pa rin ang bantay niya, itong si Marquis. Pero ang naluwa si J.R. Reyes. Balik kay Eric Dawson. Ang kanyang semi-hook, ayaw! Makukuha ni Gary David. Rumarat-rata kay si Mac Cardona. Umikot na agaw ni Chris Timberlake. What a steal by Chris Timberlake. May foul pa ang Jordan. Samantala, pasok ang dalawang free throws itong si Chris Timberlake. Now in double-digit scoring with 10. 88-80, yan po ang ating tala. Ang Meralco sa buong laro po, sila lamang nakatikim ng kalamangan. Panayan lang ang habol itong Global Port.
Meralco, his defense is getting formed while Global Port is taking too much time in setting up the offense.
Marky nakawala against Mac Cardona. Libre sa 3. Sol Mercado tagilid. Inabutan pa ng 24.
That's too much time. No sense of urgency that time on the part of Global Port. At ito si Coach Del Baculi. Ang tagal eh. Ang tagal ng setup.
In fact, nagkakagalitan nga sila. Nagsisigawan na sila
Oo.
doon. No movement at all. Doon sa half-court set na yun ng Global Port bottom here.
And not only that, ito hindi nakahawak si Gary David sa sequence na yun. Neither the import.
Eric Dawson, inching closer. Pero malakas yung kanyang tira, tapigan. Si AJ Mandani ang huling nakahawak nun. So mananatili sa Meralco Bulls.
Dawson has missed his last 4 shots.
Mac nakakuha ng bola. Trying to call a timeout. Ito cool. New packaging. Back in the game. It's Mac Cardona again looking for the import. Eric Dawson, layup niya, nabutata.
Scoring ng Meralco, but he didn't hesitate to give it the ball that time to his import who was low posting and up against just Morgan. Kanya, maganda yung attitude dito ni Mac Cardona.
All game brilliance para dito kay Mac. Ano nga natin, nakita mo pa ng first half. Pero marami sa second half. Patuloy pa rin si Mac Cardona, Sylvester Morgan. That is his 21st point. Pero ang nangyari ko dito, nakakalawang pa rin ang balo. 13 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. They go back to Eric Dawson. Turn around, pumasok na naman. Walang pinapahirap ito si Eric Dawson sa kanyang pagkamana for his 35th point of the game. Mandani, paborte, pumasok, nakanakaw. Nagpapalawang puntis ko. In the last 2 minutes of the ball game, ang Meralco nasa itaas pa rin by 8 points. Wala silang kailangan ipagmadali rito. Bruce Timberlake, import na kanyang banta.
3, pagkatapos nun sunod-sunod na kanyang talo. This is gonna be the
5 and 5 sila ngayon. 4 na kupunan ang kanyang mga katatlo. So 5 silang sama-sama doon sa pang-4 hanggang pang-8 pwesto. Gary David, ayaw pa rin sumuko.
At pagkatapos ng laro na ito, Global Port still has Talk in Text to play. That will be in Iloilo on April 6. Tapos meron silang Alaska on April 12 at Barako on April 14. So all of those are tough assignments.
Mac Cardona, sumagit sito.
He went up there not with the intention of stopping the ball, but stopping the man. Tumaga doon si Marky eh. At sumubsob si Mac Cardona. That should have been a flagrant 1.
Samantala, patuloy tayo. Gary David! From the nakakatikim ng kalamangan. Itong kupunan ng Global Port. Now they're down by only 5.
I might have spoken too soon. Kanina sinabi ko, 1 ball game na ito from Meralco. Ito, 1:19 to go.
Cliff Hodge, galing na inbound, pero nakalusot dito. To Eric Dawson. Eric Dawson.
Oh, yes. Easy 2 points. Van Landingham.
Only the first 2 points for Van Landingham, pero Eric Dawson, nakita niya, luwag na luwag si Josh. Why not? Gary David forcing a 3. Ayaw, but Gary David pa rin nakakuha. Mintis naman yung kanyang follow-up. Now it's Eric Dawson. Pinal na kagad. Dito naman si Sol.
Rated si Sol Mercado. Hindi niya nakita yung galaw. Yung siguro yung commitment ng mga teammates. As a result
Meralco, but they are on a better team standings compared dito sa Global Port. Samantala,
ang approach ni Morgan as against Dawson who's all energy, all intensity.
Mac Cardona, hindi pa rin pinipigilan doon si Marky. Pagdadalawang pa siya doon ni Gary David. Mac, iikot na lamang ito to waste some seconds. 14 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Up by 7, 97 to 90. Timberlake mawala yung bola, but there's a push.
Nakaka 29 points. At si Mac Cardona naman nakaka 20 and 4 assists.
Yan yung mga unsung hero ng Meralco, kinito. I would also want to point out J. Reyes doing a good job on Sly Morgan.
Si Cliff Hodge also delivering 9 points. At ito si Mac Cardona. Kita mo, follow-up shot there. Coming from Cliff Hodge, and now he's in double figures as well.
Marky with a slam. Pero mukhang itutupinan ng kupunan ng Meralco itong panalong ito. Ay, binabanggit natin ang average ng Meralco sa turnover nila halos 15. Ngayong gabi may 6 na turnovers lang kupunan ng Meralco. So why resulting in a very splendid victory. Dapat sa kupunan ng Global Port na lalo naman maduduktok sa ilalim with their 9 loss sa kanilang 11 laro.
Ito si Mandani, para sila ang may lamang dito.
Ubusan na lang mga segundo rito. So 103-92. Diyan po matatapos.